Let's go and look at the temple. There wouldn't be many tourists come here.
Yeah.
Bit of a climb, isn't it?
I never go inside. Yeah, I looking in the museum online.
Right.
Never go in mountain.
These steps are steep. Wow.
Oh, be careful. Wow.
What?
Are you okay?
Ui.
Oi.
Whoa, my legs gone. My hip bone. Let me swing you around. Oh la la. Even the young ones are out of breath.
Not young. I'm old now.
Are you sure this is a temple? Oh no. Long way. Long way. You have to be a fit monk. Hello dog, don't bite me. I think he's friendly. I hope so. Yeah. Ooh la la. Are we gonna go? Any monkeys?
No.
You think monkey bite me? No monkeys today. Why you?
Never. I don't know.
Why you always take me to places where I have to climb many steps? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, so many steps.
Try.
Hmm?
Try walking. I never go.
But I haven't exercised for about a week.
And I
Oh,
see sleep food.
the butterfly, look. Look at the butterflies. This is beautiful. So beautiful. Look, a serpent. Look at the detail, look. Even the claw.
Ow.
Okay, let's go. Wait for me, please. I'd like a nice cup of coffee. Some pakapao kung kai dao. I'm not going to look down. I'm not going to look down yet. Okay. I look down. And look at the view towards Kalasin. Three-headed serpent. Oh, look at the details. Look what's happened. Look. Oh my God. Look.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Number one, I go inside.
Oh, you can see the big lake a long way away. Some beautiful houses down there. Some beautiful houses.
Beautiful.
Are you out of breath? Are you out of breath? Not far to go.
Yeah. Okay.
We do all this for the viewers.
Yeah. I want to see. I don't know. I never go.
Try to do
I try.
unique videos. I'll try anyway. Ooh la la. There's more. Well, we got somewhere to sit. And look at this big turtle. What you call the turtle, honey? What name? What name?
I don't know English. I went Thailand. Tao.
Oh yeah, Tao.
Yeah, you say look. The dog same mouth, same look, same little one. The dog. Wrong way. Lock. Dog same.
This is a very big mountain, honey. It's a very big mountain. Oh yeah. Come on, let's try. You go first.
Huh?
Bye. Be careful the monkeys. That's exercise. It's not finished, honey.
Take photo, come back. Look.
Cable car.
I swear, I cannot see.
Look at that Tao turtle.
Big.
Cloudy. Wow, in the wilds. Oh la la. Oh la la. No, we're okay. We've made it to the top, but there's more to go. Wow. Let's go along here. You go, have a look. Be careful, snake. Be careful, snake, honey. I know one snake bite me. Let's have a look. Oh, wow. We're exploring. We have to explore. Miami Phalanx. No Phalanx, no tourists. In the wilds. Wild thing. You make my heart sing. You make everything groovy. Wild thing. Wild thing, I think I love you. But I want to know for sure. Oh, look at that, the bite that will kill you. Rinda's gonna have a look. But I think we cannot go any further up to the mountain. Where the snakes? Any snakes? Any dinosaurs? Wait for me! Oh, we can see the big lake, look. Photo big lake. I'm going to have a look. It's very wild. Wow. Let's have a look.
Be careful, you can run.
Oh. That's all we can do now. Oh, we could sit up here, huh? Yeah. But we've got to go all the way down again. Yeah. You can see the big lake, look. Yeah. Wow. Okay,
beautiful.
Let's go, honey. Let's go. We're gonna go down this way. Small steps, but many, many steps. Okay. Let's go down. We have more to go down, honey. We have more to go down. Look.
I think you can cut this one because accident. Yeah.
Wow, new. Ish. People pile out. Take care of massage old people. As you can see, graveyard on the mountain. Ooh la la. It's very splendid. A ผู้ชาย and a ผู้หญิง Okay, see you next time. Maybe not.
Win lottery number 1. Okay, see you next time.
If I win lottery, I not go there.
Then before I have
Wow,
name one
big leaves, aren't they?
I have people cut me. Go
Very
away.
big leaves.
Yeah.
And you got the bamboo
Yeah.
and the butterflies. Yeehaw.
Original of Thailand.
Oh,
หน่อไม้
bamboo tree,
Thailand หน่อไม้ หน่อไม้
no mai. Okay. So what do you think? You enjoyed the dinosaurs?
Enjoy.
You
I'm
learn?
a lot mountain.
We went up the mountain.
Yeah.
A good
I'm a
view,
lot. I
but
walk.
your legs and my
Yeah,
legs.
no, leg kaput.
Oh my God. Your legs and my legs. Look at that. And that. We're gonna find a cup of coffee or tea or something. Refreshments. Honey, you remember we walked up the mountain
Yeah.
to try and look at the temple?
Yeah.
And we couldn't get to the top
Yeah.
because the gate was closed.
Yeah.
Look where we went. Look.
Yeah.
Look, we started. Oh my God, we started all down here and we went all the way up to the top. I have to bring my finger across. And we nearly got to the top. And then we had to come all the way back down again. Oh. ไม่เป็นไรอ่ะ
หลงทาง
We got some fresh air now, honey. There's a beautiful looking cow, look. So beautiful out here. We're looking for a resort, aren't we now? In case we need to use it for tonight.